Hey guys, it's Josh.
And Hillary.
We're with the Wanderlounge bus, and today we're getting a big upgrade on our refrigerator.
Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the fridge that we're working with now. It's only 7.5 cubic feet, and the new one is 10 cubic feet. And this one is smaller. We built our kitchen with this fridge in mind. So the new one's a little bit bigger, but it's gonna fit. We have to move a few things. It's gonna come out a little further, but it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. And under here, Josh built this little drawer to keep canned goods and stuff in, and I don't think that's going to work very well with the new fridge because I think it's going to be too tall, so we're going to have to reimagine my canned food storage. And then in the fridge, what I really dislike about this is it's an okay size for us, but this bottom drawer, it's only half of a drawer because the meat and potatoes of the refrigerator is back there on the bottom, so you don't get a big old drawer, and it's disappointing every time I go to open the drawer, and if there's nothing in it, and the whole drawer just flies out. And then our freezer. This freezer sucks. It's always having to scrape this dang thing. I hate it. I want to stop having to do that. So now that I got a big girl fridge, it should stop doing that. So I'm very excited about it. So let's watch Josh do all the hard work to lift it and put it in here because we know I'm not doing any of it.
All right guys, I want to give a big shout out to our friends over at RecPro for sending us this fridge. A lot of us in the schoolie community tend to shy away from anything associated with RVs, but RecPro has some great quality upgrades that won't break and won't break the bank. Check out our link in the video description for this fridge and their full catalog. So what we've got here is a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator in stainless steel. Most of us end up using regular refrigerators in our builds, which can be cheaper to buy up front, but have plenty of negatives. A residential refrigerator won't be designed to tolerate vibrations, which can lead to premature failure. They're also almost exclusively built to run off of 110 volt AC power, which means it needs to run off your inverter. Most inverters, even ones claiming to be pure sine, are actually modified sine, which again can lead to premature failure. Plus, your inverter's efficiency means you're dumping 20% or more of your power as heat into your living area, draining your batteries quicker and making your air conditioner have to work harder to keep things cool. Our 48 to 12 volt regulator, by comparison, is up to 95% efficient. When your primary power source is solar, those wasted watts really add up. Also, the cheaper units aren't frost-free, as Hillary showed you earlier. This RecPro refrigerator uses a brushless DC motor and claims to use about 84 watts when cooling and only about 12 watts when idle. Between the added size and the efficiency, this should be a major upgrade for our build. All right, let's get this bad boy out of the box and into the bus.
Ooh, shiny.
All right, I think that's it for unboxing. Now we got to get it in the door. Let's take out the old fridge first. I don't know where it's going.
Alright. We gotta fish this wire through for the fridge, so Josh has to take this part of the hatch off. Yay. In order to get the fridge in the bus through the small door, we have several obstacles in the way that have to be removed, like my passenger seat right here. This is permanent, it's not going anywhere. These stools with storage in them have to go, and this table top needs to go. So let's watch Josh do all of that. You stay. Old man down. Really? This is where you choose to lay. Look at all the room for activities. Woo! Imagine if we had all this space.
I don't know what food this is.
Cat food. Goodbye, little fridge. Oh my god. I don't think you're getting through. You have to climb over the stove.
Climb on the stove, not go through the shower. First, I will hook up our power wires.
We're gonna have Hatch green chili burgers tonight.
Okay.
And by that, it means I'm gonna put a scoop of Hatch green chilies on top of the burger, and then I'll put the cheese on top of that.
Alright, do we clear the stove?
We have straps that are stuck underneath it that need to cut out. Hang on. Yes, you clear the stove, but... Unfortunately, we had a few casualties. We dinked it a little bit. Oh well, we'll put a magnet over it, it's fine. And then look, oh, so satisfying. It's not really the good kind though. So look, I just noticed the freezer has, look, we can put stuff on the door of the freezer. We didn't have that before. Look at all this space. Ah. And then the fridge. Oh, look at all this space. Look how big this bottom drawer is. Oh no, okay. Oh look. So much room. Let's get this off. Oh. I love it. I'm so excited to have a new fridge.
Now Hillary gets to do the fun part, putting everything back in.
Did it. Alright. Fridge pour time. Oh, look at all the room we have. We gotta go do more shopping. Fridge. So full. The drawer. So many more vegetables in here. Because this filled my other drawer. My other drawer was full. Now I can get way more in here. I'm very happy with this. Thanks, Rec Pro. We love it.
All right, now to assemble the rest of the bus. All right, guys, that was a lot of work today, getting this thing installed and getting the old one out and putting the bus back together after taking it apart. But we've got this in, we've got all of our stickers reinstalled, we are good to go. Well, we for sure are really liking this new fridge, and if you're interested in it or the other things that RecPro sells, we do have a link in the description of the video that will save you 5% off your entire order, so definitely check that out. But that's going to wrap it up for another video, and we do have a couple more upgrades we'll be doing in the next couple of weeks here, so definitely stay tuned for those. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below, and please give us a like and consider a subscribe if you're interested in this sort of content. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.